Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to remove suggestions in Google Chrome so you can clean up unwanted or incorrect links from your browser. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Google Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar to open the browser. Google Chrome is the web browser where your search history and autocomplete suggestions are stored. Opening it is the first step to accessing and managing those saved suggestions. Step 2. Click on the address bar at the top of the browser window and start typing the URL that was previously entered incorrectly. The address bar is where you type website names or search terms, and Chrome automatically shows suggestions based on your browsing history. This helps you quickly find websites, but it can also display unwanted entries. Step 3. Wait for the drop-down list to appear below the address bar as you type. This list shows autocomplete suggestions taken from your browsing history and previously visited sites. Identifying the incorrect or unwanted suggestion here is important before removing it. Step 4. Press the down arrow key on your keyboard to move through the list and highlight the unwanted suggestion. Using the arrow key allows you to select the exact entry you want to remove without clicking on it. Make sure the correct suggestion is highlighted before moving to the next step. Step 5. Click on the X icon displayed on the right side of the highlighted suggestion. This X button removes the selected entry from your autocomplete history instantly. Once clicked, the unwanted suggestion will no longer appear in the address bar. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tips.